music, you know. Yes, La Panchita is the place. Okay, we're still living in days of slavery, so we just want to be free. So, let me tell you this. Listen, they told me I would need them. Be careful in this time, man. They asked me what would I do then, that I could never survive alone. Hey, they told me I would need them.